Wow, holy cow, it is the day, finally, day one of the Alaska Motorcycle Adventure bucket list ride. Loaded up and ready to go, so let's hit it. See you down the road. I am leaving Sonoma County. It's a beautiful morning, day one. Super excited. And for today's journey, I'm going to take 101 all the way up through Eureka, Crescent City, and decide which way I'll go from there. But my goal today is to get somewhere in mid-Oregon. Well, hello everyone. So I guess Advemture has its snafus, and I've got my first one. Not 2 hours into my ride, I get a phone call from the Alaska Marine Highways system, which is the ferry I'm booked on for out of Bellingham up to Juneau, and the ship broke. So I can't get on it, and the next sailing is a week away from then, and it's already booked up. So and I guess I'm kind of screwed. So I'm gonna have to rework my whole route, make a whole bunch of cancellations, but I'm gonna try and see if I can do that ferry on the way back home. But so the adventure begins. I'm gonna be sitting down with the map and remapping things, and I don't know where I'm gonna end up, but come on along for the ride. I'll let you know as I figure it out. See you then. So it is about 5:20 in the afternoon. I'm somewhere outside of Grants Pass, Oregon. I've stopped at a market, picked up some food for dinner. Now I have to find me a place to sleep for a campsite for tonight. So I headed to this place out this highway right here, to a place called White Horse Park or something like that. So we'll see what it looks like when I get there. Okay people, day one is in the books. I am here at White Horse Park Campground in Oregon. I don't know how close I am, but a little ways outside of Grants Pass. So today was kind of an exciting day, epic ride. 380 miles today. Bike performed well. It was a beautiful ride, weather was perfect. And anyway, but as you know, the ferry got canceled, so tonight I'm going to be rerouting myself. I might try and do my whole trip a little bit backwards, which means that I will see about heading over. I'm going to look at the weather and see what the weather's like in Banff and Lake Louise and go up to the Icefields Parkway. But if the weather's really bad, then I'm just going to bypass that altogether and go up more of a western route through Prince George and up that way. I'll let you know though. So yeah, I'm here, set up camp. And got my whiskey, camp set up. I'm gonna go cook myself some dinner. Broccoli, teriyaki steak. Why does food always taste so much better when you're camping? I don't know, but it does, for sure. Well, good morning. Day 2 in the morning. And you know, I found my first wildlife. Yep, 5:30 this morning. I hear this grunting, growling, and this loud noise. And I wake up to this about 50 feet away from my from my tent. I guess you don't want to be a movie star. Not a bad little campground, super cheap, convenient. I'm heading now north. I don't know how far I'm going to get, but I'm going to head towards Olympia, Washington, and see if I can make it there in time to meet up with a buddy. Owns a coffee shop there, and yeah, so we'll see what we can see along the way. Well, everyone, so here I am. I made it up to Olympia, Washington, and you know when you do a road trip like this, you stop in and check on old friends. So I made a friend a couple years ago at a rally competition down in Borrego Springs. Found out he owns some coffee shops up here, besides the fact that he goes out and catches fish on one of them big old ships and stuff. So I stopped by to see Kyle.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, Kyle. And Kyle just opened his third coffee house. What's the name of it?
Northwest Grind and Bubbleology.
Bubbleology?
Yeah. Out of the UK. It's huge.
It's huge, huh?
Yeah.
Anyway, so I'm here, and I'll tell you, the coffee's really good. I just had some. So this is the shop. But anyway, good to see you, buddy.
Good to see you.
Glad the business is doing good. Okay, night 2, campsite number 2. I'm at, I think it's called Bayview State Park, Mount Vernon, Washington. Maybe, I don't know, less than 100 miles from the Canadian border, which I'll hit that tomorrow. Nice little campsite, so I'm just getting settled in. Check you out later. So today's adventure, day 3. I'm going to leave here, and I'm actually going to cross the border in Canada and head up. This looks like a pretty cool route, and I'm going to hit the Sea to Sky highway that goes all the way up, and I'm going to check out Whistler. I may end up staying in Whistler. We'll see what time I get there, and I'll make that decision when I get there. So see you down the road. So this is the international border. This is called the Peace Arch at the border. I guess one side of it's in Canada and the other side is in the United States. All right, here we go. Crossing the border into Canada.
Hello.
Good morning, how are you?
How long are you in Canada for?
Well, I'm going to be bouncing in and out of Canada, so I think 3 or 4 days till I get up to Alaska, and then I'll be coming back down through Canada again.
Okay, why Alaska?
Why not?
Just a drive up there?
Yeah, I've never been there.
Okay.
Little road trip.
Are you on this trip by yourself?
Yes.
Do you have a gun or a weapon on you?
No.
Any firearms at all?
None at all.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, thank you.
You're welcome.